Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 5, exercise 5.1, problem number 4. The question is, observe the following pattern and find the missing digit. Okay, so here they have given that 11 square is 121, okay, and 101 square is 10201, okay, and 1000 square is 1002001. Okay, so we are going to observe this pattern, and according to this pattern we are going to write the answer for the given question. Okay, fourth and fifth number we are going to write the answer. Okay, so when you cleanly observe the pattern, right, so here what they have given, 11 square. Okay, so there is no zero at all. Okay, so 11 square means what they have written, two ones are there. Okay, so two ones means here, right, so two ones are there, so between we have number 2. Okay, so since we have two ones, in between we are going to write 2. Okay, and then this end and this end we have 1 again, so this end and this end we are going to write 1 as it is. Okay, so 1 square, what I am going to write, both the end I am going to write 1 as it is. Since it is two ones, in the middle I am going to write 2 as it is. And then 101 square. Okay, so 101, again here two ones are there. Okay, so 101 square means in between definitely I'll have 2 as it is. Okay, and then dead end also, right, starting end and dead end I have 1 as it is. Since I have 0 in between, right, 0 is there, so between 1 and 2 I am writing 0. Similarly between 2 and 1 I am writing 0. Okay, and then when you observe this pattern, how it has been written, 1001 square. Okay, so again two ones are there, right, so totally two ones are there, so in between you have to write 2, and then starting end ending end we have 1 as it is, and then since I have 00 here, okay, so in between 1 and 2 I am writing 00. Similarly in between 2 and 1 I am writing 00. Okay, so when you observe these three patterns, I understood that in this way it has been written. So similarly when you observe this, right, this value, again two ones are there, so in between I have written 2 as it is. Starting and ending I have ones as it is. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there, so between 1 and 2 I have to write 4 zeros. Okay, similarly between 2 and 1 I have to write 4 zeros. Okay, similarly for this question, again two ones are there, in between I have to write 2, and starting as well as ending I have to write 1 as it is, and then in between how many zeros are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros are there. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros I have to write. Similarly between 2 and 1 also 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros I have to write. Okay, so some pattern they have given, we have to observe that pattern. From that pattern we have to understood something, and for other two questions we have to write the answer. Okay, so this is the fourth question. And then fifth question, similarly again they have given some pattern, right, for first three numbers they have given some pattern, so we have to understood that and we have to find the answer for the next two questions. Okay, so again as I have observed here, right, double 1 is there. Okay, so for double 1 square they have written 121. For 101 square they have written 10201, and then for 10101 square they have written 102030201. Okay, so when I observe that, what I understood is, here the number of ones is what, two ones are there. Okay, so two ones are there, so in between they have written 2, and then both the end, right, since it is 1 and 1 starting and ending end, here also 1, here also 1 they have written. Again when I observe here, 1 plus 1 is what, 2, so in between I have to write 2. Okay, and both the ends definitely it will be of 1, and in the middle I have 0. So they have introduced 0 between 1 and 2, 2 and 1. Okay, so between 1 and 2, 2 and 1, I have introduced 1, 0. Okay, and then when observing this pattern, okay, how many number of ones are there? 1, 2, 3 ones are there. Okay, so 3 ones are there. How they have written? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is they are increasing the numbers and writing. Okay, since 3 ones are there, okay, they are increasing the numbers. Right? 1, 2, 3. Similarly, from this end they are decreasing and writing 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the numbers are not like that previous way what we have observed in the fourth question. It is somewhat different, right? So when I understood this concept, you can again recheck your previous one. Since you have 2 ones, they have written as 1, 2. Again they are decreasing as 2, 1. Okay, similarly here 2 ones are there. So 1, 2, again 2, 1. Like that they are writing. So since I don't have any 0, I don't have any zeros here. Here 1, 0 is there. So in between the numbers 1 and 2, 2 and 1, they are introducing 0. Similarly, here also you observe 2 zeros are there. So up to 3, that is in between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, you are introducing 2 zeros. Similarly, again while decreasing also for 3 and 2, you have to introduce 1 0, 2 and 1, you have to introduce another 0. Okay, so 1 0 is there. Here the output I am getting 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros are there. Here the output I am getting 4 zeros. Okay, that is double the zeros we have. Okay, so definitely here when we observe here 3 zeros are there. Okay, so the answer will consist of 6 zeros. Okay, double the time, right? So 3 zeros are there. 3 zeros we have to introduce in the increasing order. Another 3 zeros we have to introduce in the decreasing order. Okay, so how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how we have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I have to decrease the number, right? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So in the increasing number, I have to introduce 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, in the decreasing number, 1, 2, 3, I have to introduce 3 zeros. Okay, so 3 zeros are there. At the output, I have 6 zeros. Okay, so similarly, when I observe this number, right? So I have to write the input, right? This is the output. I have to find out the input. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, increasing, none, decreasing. So 5 ones are there. Okay, so 5 ones I have to write. So I have to write in this manner for this answer. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 5 ones I have written. A number of zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros are there. So input I will have 4 zeros, right? So 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1. Okay, so this is the answer. So when you observe the pattern, we have to link each and every pattern, and correspondingly we have to find out the final answer. Okay, so this is the solution for fourth and fifth question. Next, using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. Okay, and they have given that to find the pattern, third number is related to first and second number. Okay, so this is the first number, this is the second number. So third number they are saying that some relationship is there. Okay, and again fourth number is related to third number. Okay, fourth number is having some relationship with the third number. Okay, this is the hint what they have given. So first of all, third number is related to 1 and 2. Okay, first number and second number. So just let me see what are all the possibilities. Here 1, here 2, here also 2. Okay, next here 2, here 3, here 6, here 3, here 4, here 12. Okay, so when we observe the pattern, first 3 itself, I can find out that 1 into 2 is what? 2. Okay, so you can do all the 4 operations and check. Okay, so first you can do addition. Okay, 1 plus 2 is what? 3. It is not there. Okay, it is invalid. Again 2 plus 3 is what? 5. It is not coming. Okay, 3 plus 4 is 7. It is not coming. So you can leave the addition operation. Then you can go for the subtraction operation. Okay, it is also not working out. Then you can do for multiplication. So 1 2s are 2, it is coming. 2 3s are 6, right? It is there. 3 4s are 12. Okay, so absolutely it is a multiplication operation. That is the relationship between first two numbers and third number. Then when you clearly observe what is the relationship between third number and fourth number, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 6, here it is 7, here it is 12, here it is 13. That is the next number you are writing. Okay, here 2, 3, 6, 7, 12, 13. So I have observed the three patterns and I have concluded that first two numbers I have to multiply and write here. Okay, and then third number I have to take and plus 1 will be the fourth number. Okay, so using that concept I can complete the rest of the patterns. Okay, 4 5s are what? 20, right? 4 5s are 20. Okay, so you can cross check this also. 20 plus 1 is what? 21. Yes, it is correct. Okay, and then here they didn't given any value. Okay, but they have given that here it is 30. So 5 into what is what? 30. 5 6 are 30, right? So 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Okay, then 7 6 are 42, right? So 42 plus 1 is what? 43 square. Okay, so this is the final answer for sixth question. Thank you. Thanks for watching.